Loktak Downstream Project Thupchillagani Ntpc Dagi Mei Megawatt chama Leigadouri. NHPC National Hydroelectric Power Corporation Limited amasung State Government anina joint venture oina paikhat minarkiba megawatt humputaroki Loktak Downstream Hydroelectric Project asi thupchinanaba ngasi State Cabinet na warib laukri. NTPC National Thermal Power Corporation chalaiba Faraka Super Thermal Power Station dagi megawatt chama amasung AJVN Limited dagi Mei Megawatt yankai leibagi ayabasu State Cabinet na pikre hairi. Chief Minister Yumna Khemchan Singh chair lauraga manipuri da leiba mahaki Secretariat Office ki Cabinet Hall da pangthokiba Cabinet ki mifam aduda Deputy Chief Minister Losi Diko Art and Culture amasung Tourism ki Minister KH Lokensu sarugyakhi. Deputy Chief Minister Nemcha Kipgendi hanagi matogumna video conferencing ki kunthada sarugyakhi. State Cabinet na tunga ba department singi apunba agenda tarahumde puthokuna khanaraba matungba agenda ani defer tawkiba natana atai pumnamak approve tawki hairi. Press fangba pawgi likhungi matung ina mifamatuda power department ki oina agenda ahum puthoki. Agenda sing adugi manungda maruina matam sangna Manipur government amasung NHPC anina punna paikhat minaraga lakpa Mei Megawatt humpugotaru puthokpagi capacity lairiba Loktak Downstream Hydroelectric Project ase thingjinanaba amadi LDHCL Loktak Downstream Hydroelectric Corporation Limited asisu thupchinba bifamna yaba piki hairi. Nakalamaromda Housing State asida maigi awatpa lairiba asi menkhatnabagidamakta National Thermal Power Corporation na West Bengal gi Murshidabad ta chalairiba Faraka Super Thermal Power Station dagi Mei Megawatt chama laibada Cabinet na yaba piki. Government of India amasung Government of Himachal Pradesh na chalaiba SJVN Limited ki the green shoe option of FDRE 2 trends ki makhada farm and dispatchable renewable energy ki Mei Megawatt yankai leibadasu Cabinet na yaba pikre hairi. Minority Affairs ki agenda English singaniga Taragani thogi February kungini panda Mobets ki project officer oina regular basis ta changlakiba hauzikna Minority Affairs ki joint director oriba MD Salaudin Khan English singaniga taramapangi October 13 tagi Deputy Director oina joint tawba fawagi manungda service link piba loinana mahaki tolok amasung atai fangfam thokpa benefit sing protection pibada ngasigi Cabinet na ayaba piki hairi. CAF and PD Consumers Affairs Food and Public Distribution ki agenda oina Manipur Legal Metrology Rules 2026 amasung Manipur Legal Metrology Rules 2026 ki proposal su kasi Cabinet na ayaba piki. Health and Family Welfare ki agenda da Amendment of Manipur Medical Council Rules 2013 amasung Amendment of Manipur Nursing Council Rules 2008 ki proposal su ayaba piba kaloinana Jennings ki Dental College ki Principal in Charge ki remuneration hengat padasu ngasigi Cabinet na ayaba piki hairi.